a village, an old farmer lived with his 4 sons. But the sons always argued, they never worked together. The farmer became worried, he knew he wouldn't live forever. And his sons were always fighting. Scene 3. The farmer's illness. One day the farmer fell very ill. He called all his sons to his side for one last lesson. The bundle of sticks. The farmer handed them a bundle of tightly tied sticks. Try to break it, he said, one by one. The sons tried, but no one could. The sticks separated. Then the farmer untied the bundle and gave each son a stick. This time they broke the sticks easily. Easily. Scene 6, the lesson. The farmer smiled and said, when you're united, no one can defeat you, but divided, you are weak. Farmer smiled and said, when you're united, no one can defeat you, but divided, you are weak. Living in unity. From that day, the 4 brothers stopped fighting. They helped each other and worked together as a team.